Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to log in Brainly account. So first of all, launch open Brainly application. If you do not have this application, you can download it from Play Store and App Store. You can see over here, Brainly application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to the home interface. So what you have to do is tap on the profile icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the login interface. If you do not have the account yet, you can sign up for your account by simply tapping on the option sign up. Otherwise, if you have the account and if you want to log into your account, what you have to do is provide the credentials, or you can also log in with Google or log in with Facebook if you want. Simply select the login method that you used while creating your account. Here I'm just going to log in with my email. So simply tap on the field username or email. Now what you have to do is provide your username or email over here. Now enter your password. Make sure to enter the correct password. If you have forgotten your password, you can tap on the option forgot your password and you'll be able to reset it. Otherwise, simply enter your password. Now after entering the credentials, tap on the login option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here you'll be logged into your account. So that is how you log in Brainly account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.